What is going on today, guys? It is the 26th of December and it is 60 degrees in Colorado, which is insanely weird. But it's perfect because today I'm going to be removing the hood wrap and the tree and the nose and just de-Christmasifying my car. That's a word now, de-Christmasifying. Anyways, I'm taking all that stuff off, and then if I still have time, because it's 1 o'clock already, I got a later start than I wanted, I'm going to be washing it because that's disgusting. Look at that. That's disgusting. So yeah, let's do that. Also, got a really cool mini hat yesterday for Christmas, so got something new to wear in videos. Yeah, let's get this stuff off. First things first, I'm gonna take off the tree because it's just the easiest one to get off and get out of the way. Come over here, find the cable. Ooh, actually got through that, bad idea. Cable's stuck. Get unstuck from the seat belt. Oh, there go my sunglasses. There you go, got the cable. Cable can go there. And now we take this, just basically pull them off nice and easy. Come on. Ugh. There we go, that's the tree basically completely wrapped up like that. Ready to be taken off. I'll put the tree. So I put the tree over here in the corner for now because I'm gonna put it in the garage, but I gotta get the hood off first. Okay, we popped the hood, let's go. That's the easiest that hood's ever popped. I have to remove the hood scoop. I forgot about that. And this is the scary part that I have to remove, the headlight trim. To start with removing the hood scoop, I have to undo this bolt right here, which is wonderfully not helpful. Like so. Put it right here with that so it doesn't get lost. Now I need a trim piece. The basic gist is that you shove the trim piece in somewhere here along the corner and then pull up the edge. I need 2 hands to do that, so I'm going to put you down. There you go, I had to pull it up. I did accidentally break a pin in here. It's actually 2 pins, which is a pain in the butt, because they get fragile. This I'm gonna put just right here to keep it safe. Then I have to remove the headlight trim, which is easier but sketchy because Mini, I swear, designs these things to break. Because it is this little tab right here. You see how small that piece is? That is the entire thing holding this on. There's a bunch of them, so that snaps in half like that, and it's ruined. So I've got 3 of 8 on this side. And I think 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side. Yeah, it's not great. There you go, got them both off. I only broke 1 off, which is good. Now it comes time to remove this. This is gonna be a pain in the butt. Actually, it's gonna be easier than doing it because it's just gonna be a bunch of peel, and keep peeling and peeling, peel. Because I went overboard with the tape to make sure it wouldn't get water in it, and then it got water in it. But hey, it's like Christmas. I get to unwrap it and tear it, and I don't care. Ooh, actually, hold that thought. Trash bag. Okay, now I've got a trash bag opened up, so that'll be easier when it starts ripping off, like this. Because like that, I can now just shove inside the trash bag like it's Christmas morning. Okay, I've gone and I've put you guys on a tripod so I can do this with 2 hands and not have to worry as much about holding you guys and trying to peel tape. So, I'm just gonna bunker down and do this. Oh, it's like still wet under here. That's weird. So I just remembered I did the stripes as separate layers. So I can come over here, take this, like so, and peel the tape off of the stripe. And then take the stripe. Okay, that's not working as well as I thought. That's gonna go like that. Okay, next year I'm gonna keep in mind when I'm doing this to remember that I have to take it off afterwards, because this is a pain in the butt to take off here. Okay, this is taking too long. I'm just gonna do one of these. Not quite done. Okay, that's much better. That's done. Roll it. Stuff it in the trash bag. And now I gotta take this off. I think I should do my hood like this. I think that looks cool. What do y'all think? Y'all think I should do a green stripe right down the center of my car? Okay, here's the satisfying bit. Peeling back the painter's tape. Super satisfying. Yeah, y'all think I should put a green stripe down the center of my car? I think I should. Ooh, okay, a little bit of adhesive stuck to stripes. Issue. So, I don't know if y'all can see that slight bit of discoloration right there. That line. That's where adhesive stuck to the stripe. I think it's either adhesive stuck to the stripe or it's that some dirt water stuck to the stripe. I don't know. We'll see when I clean the car. Anyway, I'm just gonna bust this out because I am quickly losing daylight. Here we go. Nice big piece. Just. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Okay, that's adhesive. Is that adhesive or is that water? I can't tell what this is. That's weird. It feels like adhesive, but like it comes off too easy. No, that's adhesive. Wonderful. That's a stripe of adhesive. Okay, I gotta be a little more careful when I'm peeling. Keep it from skipping. There we go. I have gotten the hood unwrapped. Couple things. I'm going to make these observations to help myself when I do this next year and to help you guys if you want to do it. Oh, I'm about to cover the microphone. First off, the green Easy Remove tape actually leaves more residue than the blue normal tape. So you can see right here where I use green tape, right where I use blue tape, compare it. You can see where I'm using the green tape versus the blue tape. Same here. It's all green tape up until this line right here. It's a little too bright. So this is green tape over here versus blue tape over here. Everything on this side of the stripe is blue tape, and everything this side is green tape. And you can see when you go here, the adhesive on this side of the stripe versus no adhesive on this side of the stripe. So that's the first thing I noticed. Second thing I noticed, having overlapping long pieces of tape makes it so much easier than trying to pick off a bunch of small pieces. So longer pieces peel easier and make removal so much faster. And those are the two things I noticed mainly. We're gonna see how the white tape does on my sister's car. I don't think it'll do well. We'll see. Now, I'm gonna put those back on in the hood scoop, and then depending on the time, I think I might have enough time to get a quick wash in to get that adhesive off, because I don't want the adhesive sitting on the car overnight. Which I know that sounds dumb, not wanting the adhesive that's been on the car for like a month to sit on the car overnight. But now it's exposed to crap, so stuff can settle on it and like actually like get stuck on it, which is gross. Oh, come on. There we go, got that piece of tape off. So yeah, I'm gonna put this stuff back on. There we go. It's like 99% done. The final step, just gotta get this off, which definitely is easier said than done. It's like, oh, you're just removing a nose. It's no big deal, except for the fact that I've decided to wire it in here so that it's basically impossible to remove, because I like to do things in the most difficult way possible. Bring that one out. There we go. Oh, nose. Hood, unwrapped, wash time. Drink. That's not its final place. I need to remember to move that because that's where my tire normally goes. That might be cutting it a little close. Actually here, because I'm going to forget. Tree. Normally the tree goes up there, but I'm keeping it there for now. Trash bag, there. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands to get all the gunk from underneath my hood off them. I'm gonna pull out all the stuff that I need for washing. We're gonna do a quick wash. It's cold. It'll be way colder soon. So my plan with the hood, I think, is I'm just gonna spray it down, and if there's still crap on it, I'm gonna hit it with just all-purpose cleaner, not agitate it, just spray it on there and let it sit to dissolve. And if that still doesn't work, then we'll see what has to be done. So looking at the hood, it looks like it did better, but not great. So I don't know, I'm gonna try and just regular wash it, and then if that doesn't come off, I'll use the all-purpose cleaner. Well, it's cleaned off. Still have sunlight left. So looking at this here, you can see no residue. Same with over here, no residue. Perfect. So I'm gonna dry it, I'm gonna deal with that, and we're gonna call it good. There we go, it's all washed up and clean. I need to do tire shine, but I left that in my room, so I'm gonna go grab that. However, I left my car on in ignition mode over Christmas because I wanted Christmas lights in the underglow in the tree to be putting on festive spirit with the house. So it's giving me a low battery warning. So I'm gonna start it up and idle it, which means you guys get a cold start. So let's do that. It's a little bit quieter today. Huh. So I'm gonna let this idle while I clean up the rest of the power washer and stuff. And hopefully that should charge the battery enough that it's not giving me a low battery warning anymore. Oh, it's so sick. There we go. It's done. I got the tire shine on it too. I think I'm gonna call this video good. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and stick around for the next one. Ring that little bell. And until next time, goodbye.